So when do you know it's time to replace your roof? The truth of the matter is that by the time you realize that there might be some issues with your roof, unfortunately, it might be a little bit too late. To notice damage, you most likely need to be up there on your roof, which of course we do not recommend homeowners to go up there themselves. So oftentimes what ends up happening is that you're looking from the ground up, which of course you can't see the damage, or if the damage is inside, such as a leak, it's usually too late. So what are the typical issues that you will encounter when it comes to your roof? Lack of ventilation, improper installation, and poor materials. For instance, the typical issues that you will encounter when it comes to shingles is granule loss. Literally, the granules on top of the shingles begin to corrode away, exposing the asphalt mat to the elements. And what that does, it actually makes the mat expand and contract due to the heat and the cold, literally causing the shingles to crack or give way to water damage. The best thing that you can do is to partner up with a roofing company who can come out and assess your roof. Of course, the older the shingles, the more often you would like this assessment to occur. Now, you want the roofing company to show you any photos or videos of your roof and anything that needs to be replaced before it's too late. When it comes to roofing, prevention is the best way for you to save money.